I mean, not enough space. Said 17 minutes. Oh, we're good. Welcome back. Doing a bit of rearranging here. We've listened. We've heard the people. They all said they were sick of the glare from filming out here under that hoist. I was sick of it too, so no more glare. We've now got a hoist in here. Yeah, so I bought another hoist, put it up in here, wired it in, it's all ready to go. So now we can pull the doors down, turn our lights on. We've got plenty of lighting in here now, all my tools are in here. So we can pull these doors down and we can film in there at night time, or any time really. Once we pull the doors down, we'll have no glare, we'll have no, and hopefully it helps the acoustics as well. But we listened and we got it done. We also got some more concrete here because I love concrete and I hate fucking grass. Anyway, we got more concrete. This is a 7 by fucking 6 or something, and this is where my 4-post is going, and we'll offset it that way a bit. Drive in here, we'll have the sheds over there in the field. We'll have another cover, another shed over it obviously. Maybe some benching along there for our metalwork and shit. Obviously we're going to use it to build exhausts and that sort of fabrication stuff. But that's all happening this weekend. I'll get that painted. We'll get the hoist up, hopefully. Some paint, some hoist. Not worried about the shed right now because we've got to extend it and do some work on it. But yeah, for now, that's where that's going. Like I said, we got another hoist in there. Probably this one here, we'll probably be hiring it out to people who need a hoist that aren't fortunate enough to have one. Because yeah, I can obviously do all my work in here and do my videoing and all that crap in here. Obviously it's a mess in here at the moment. I've got to clean heaps of stuff out, but yeah, I'll get it all done, and then we'll have a nice clean working area. Get the XR8 out of here, get this shit tin out of here, get all this crap out of here, and yeah, just slowly cleaning up. We had a big day. We had a big time at Power Cruise. Had a good time at Power Cruise. Had a great time there. So we've got some videos of that coming. We all broke some shit. But yeah, we had a good time. So what we're doing there is we're going to make some videos. Obviously it takes time. Our bloody editor, cameraman, fucking whatever you want to call him, Pizzaboy, he's on extended leave and he's chasing his dreams, I guess. Either that or he's hit the pipe, whichever one. But yeah, so we're having a bit of trouble with that at the moment. We're all over the joint with it, but we're getting there. We're going to be doing a lot more videos soon. We've got a LS into a VL. We got, what else we got? LS into VL. I got the Cortina motor. Cortina motor's here. I haven't shown you too much about it, but we're gonna get in and get it done. Other than that, lots of scrap runs. If that interests people on what we do there, they can let us know, and we will put it in some videos if you would like. It's just us going up to random junkies and people asking to buy their shit tin cars in their yard, and it works half the time. We always come home with a car, so if that interests some of you people, we could do a little spin-off of it and yeah, show you guys how that works. But yeah, for now I was just doing an update on how the shed's looking and how much progress we've made on what we're doing here and why we've been a bit slack on the videos as of late. But yeah, anyway, give us a like, comment what you want to see more of, subscribe, share it, all that bullshit, and yeah, I'll catch you around.